Hello everyone and welcome back. Sorry you haven't had a video for a few days. I actually came down with what we suspect is coronavirus. We're still waiting on the test results. And I was at a point where if I talked, I'd cough, period, no matter what. I ended up going to the ER actually, not yesterday, but the night before. And they gave me some medicine yesterday. I was sleeping basically the whole day after a long time of not sleeping because I was coughing so much. So I plan to do all the videos, release them as quickly as my phone will let me release them. So you should see a bunch really quickly. Hopefully we'll have them all out by tomorrow or by tomorrow night. So the next video is movement routines that help me. So for me, unless I'm really sick, I use just everyday life things. I go driving around, different things like that, which works a bunch of your muscles. We're working at getting me to where I can go for longer walks, actually do a lot of exercise, things like that. But on days when I don't have energy to do anything, either I did a lot the day before, things like that, or I'm mildly sick, I'll use my vibration machine, which I've talked about in other videos. Now, I clarify mildly sick because with this coronavirus stuff, I have not even dared do that. I can tell my energy levels are way too low. To just add in that much more exercise would be detrimental. I wouldn't be able to heal as quickly, anything like that. And I really wanted to get back to making videos for you guys, streaming videos for my other channel, and into daily life. The sooner I can heal, the better. So for me, that's some of the things I do. Making sure you're moving every day can be a big part of EDS. The longer you go without movement, the harder it is to keep those muscles strong. I'm going to have to rebuild a little bit when I'm finally at a point that I can use the vibration machine again to be able to get these videos out. I'm not going to be able to use it tonight, because there are a few videos I need to record, and just the energy of sitting here, trying not to cough, different things like that, will take a lot of it. So there'll be some rebuilding, and as I've said in other videos, one part of rebuilding is you have to go slow and steady. Only push it just to where you start feeling it, and no farther, because if you feel it every single day, you're actually breaking down your muscles. So you need to be very aware of that. If you are at the point where you can add in some more exercises, I have a lot of the exercises that I've done in the past on this channel that actually got me to where I'm good to go. I will say one thing I have been able to do a little bit during this coronavirus stuff when I wasn't coughing as bad is the stomach breathing. You breathe in as much air as you can, pushing your stomach all the way out, and then you push all the air out you can until you look to try and get it to where you look like you're really thin. And you repeat that as many times as you can. Honestly, I've been doing a lot of that subconsciously just because of how bad I've been coughing. So I have been working on that, but that's another one you can work on sometimes when you're sick and you can't work on other things. But being aware when you're sick, you need to be aware that your body's using more energy. And so especially if your appetite's lower, if you're so exhausted you can't eat appropriately, different things like that, you can't do the same level of exercise as you could if you weren't sick. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.